I'm working on a relatively simple project today of swapping the barn doors. The barn doors on my E-350 have no windows, and I pulled the doors with windows off of the parts van that I bought a couple of months ago, and I'm going to swap those in, so I'll show you how that works. Removing the barn doors is actually quite easy. For this door, it's simply these 4 bolts, 10mm socket, and it comes right off. 10mm socket. I'll leave the top bolt in so that things don't loosen up and fall off while I'm working it. There we go. On the front, you might have this keeper, and this sits here like so. You have to push this in and pop it out, and then this comes inside the door if you want to remove it. I'm going to take this and put it on my new doors. And then there is a single plug here that you'll need to unplug and pull the rubber gasket out of that hole. And that's all it takes to pull this door off. I'm going to have to change out the lock core. I'll show you that next. And here's the new doors that are going to go in. Something good to know, if you're having trouble getting the doors to seal, these mounting bolts have a little bit of play, so you can move the door up and down, left and right, just a little bit by loosening these bolts and tightening them back up. Alright, that door's in and latches. Now I just have to change out the seals and mechanism. Changing out the lock core should be a pretty simple matter of pulling this tab and releasing this lever here, and then it should just come right out. Alright, I was able to get a channel lock on here and pop this off, and now the lock core is loose. And it'll probably be easiest to pop this from the inside, but that plastic piece just slides off. Old lock core out. Alright, I got the second door hung. And like I was saying, there's a little bit of play with the hinges here, so you can see I moved this up a little bit from before, and now just getting it tightened down the whole way. There we go. And now, there you have it. Windows on the doors.